Hello everyone and welcome to this video of ZAHNER. My name is Sadiq. I'm an application specialist and marketing manager here in ZAHNER. Today in this video I'm going to unbox a Zennium Pro parcel for you. I'm going to show you that when you order a Zennium Pro from us, what accessories does it comes with. At this point I would like to say that irrespective of which potentiostat do you order, either it is Zennium X, Zennium Pro or Zennium XC, the accessories are going to be the same. This means that if you order a Zennium XC or Zennium X, the accessories will stay the same, and this video is relevant also for you. So with this, let's get started. You can see here that I have already opened the Zennium Pro parcel, and the first thing we have is this ZAHNER Zennium file, and when you open this file, we have the ZAHNER analysis license sheet. This analysis license sheet contains the license keys, and you can use this license key to activate your ZAHNER analysis software. The next we have is Thales user manual, and this user manual help you in getting started with your device. It tells you that how to install the Thales software and how to install the ZAHNER analysis software, and then how you can connect this Zennium potentiostat properly with your laptop with the main power supply, and how to get started with the experimentation. At the right here we have this USB. This USB contains the latest version of the Thales software and the ZAHNER analysis software, so you can install them. In addition to that, it also has the calibration data for your device. Here in ZAHNER, each and every potentiostat is individually calibrated. That means each and every potentiostat has its own calibration data, and the calibration data for your device is within this USB. You can see that at this USB we have a small sticker, and this sticker contains the serial number of your device, and the serial number is also on your potentiostat, so you can check which USB belong to which potentiostat, and then you know that this calibration data belongs to this device. So let's say in future you install a newer version of the Thales software, then after the installation of the software you have to install the calibration data again. So it is very important that in future you keep this USB safe so that you can install the calibration data. Okay, so that was the first accessory. The next thing we have is a small box, and this box first of all contains this USB cable. You will use this USB cable to connect your Zennium potentiostat with your laptop or your computer. Next we have this power cable, which you will use to connect your Zennium potentiostat with the main power supply. Then we have this test box. If you want to check the performance of your Zennium potentiostat, you can connect this test box to your Zennium potentiostat and do a routine diagnostic check, and this will tell you the performance of your Zennium potentiostat. At the end we have two sets of cell cables. So one are these long cell cables, which are 1 meter long cell cable. So let me take it out for you. So these are 1 meter long cell cables, as you can see, and these cell cables we have 4 different colors. So we have 4 cell cables, which are this black one is for the working electrode, blue one for the working electrode sense, green one for the reference electrode, and this red one is for counter electrode. And then in addition to that we have the shorter cell cables. So make sure that you have these 2 sets of cell cables with you in the accessories. So these were the accessories, and now I will take out the Zennium Pro potentiostat out of the box. As you can see here that I have already taken out the potentiostat out of the box. This is some dry material for security, and then on the right side we have an important warning from the electrostatic discharge. With this we came to the end of our video. I unpacked the Zennium Pro parcel for you. I showed you all the accessories that it comes with. In my next video I will talk about the front panel of the Zennium Pro potentiostat or a Zennium potentiostat, and then in particular we will discuss this warning about electrostatic discharge and what the user should take care of. With this, I thank you for your time and see you in the next video.